Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is conversion of units. In chapter number 2, we have done the conversions. And if you remember, the formula was very simple. King, King Henry died. Mother did not cry much. If you see, this is the base or the center. This is the center or base unit. Yes, class, we take this as base units and these are the powers of 10. Please tell me, if we go from base to the left side, what will we do? Will we multiply with 10 or will we divide by 10? Anyone? If we are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, just think this thing. No, 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 don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Just think this thing. If you are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, what will you do? You will divide by 10 for each step. Let me show you how. You know that, just tell me just 1 second. When we go from a smaller unit to a larger unit, so when we go from smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide. And when we go from a small larger unit to a smaller unit, when we go from larger unit to, yes, Bani, you are correct, smaller unit, then we multiply. This was a confusion in your mind. Now see my point. So we are dividing by 10 on each step like this. Or you can say it is into 1 by 10. They both are same thing, class. If I say divide by 10 or multiply by 1 by 10, are they different? Please tell. If I say divide by 10 or if I say multiply by 1 by 10, they are the same thing. Okay. So if you go from a smaller to a larger unit, you multiply by 1 upon 10. Multiply by 1 upon 10. Multiply by 1 upon 10. And the reverse is like this. If you go from a larger unit to a smaller unit, what will you do? You can write in the fair also, Vani, no issue, because it is a revision of concept. You can write there also. So class, when we go from a smaller to a larger unit, so a larger to a smaller unit, we multiply by 10. If you want to check, you can tell me in 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? We can see we are here at kilometers. We are jumping to meters. Please tell me in 1 kilometers, how many meters are there? Just see, one jump, two jump, and three jump. So we have taken three jumps from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So I will multiply 3 times 10 and I got the answer. Similarly, if I do the reverse, please tell me in 1 meters, how many kilometers are there? Labi, I will let you know, don't worry. Please tell, in 1 meters, how many kilometers are there? 0.001. So actually, you are going from, let me erase this thing, just 1 second. Just 1 second, I am again making it for you. And see, where to where you are going. Just see this thing. So let me again make it King. Where is the pen? Please come. Now it is there. King Henry died. Mother did not cry much. So now we are starting from a smaller unit. We are starting from a smaller unit and going to a larger unit. And how many places? One place, two place, and three place. We have reached till here. So we have to multiply with 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. So class, 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 becomes 1 upon 1 upon plus 1000. Yes, Mani. Good. So similarly, we have done many questions. Now I will ask you one last question and then we'll move to the new concept. Tell me, in 1 hectometers, how many centimeters? In 1 hectometer, how many centimeters? Just think, just think from where to where you are going. Is it larger to smaller or larger to Mokshita? Please see carefully. Please see. You are going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So you have to multiply with something. Yes, yes, Ryan, correct. So right now, let me show you. We are here. This is the initial point, and this is the final point. If I'm not wrong, can you understand this thing? This is your FP, final point. This is your IP, initial point. Is it correct? Sarvagya, yours is correct. Don't worry. Now let's see how many jumps we are taking. The first jump, second jump, third jump, and fourth jump. We have taken 4 jumps from hecto to centi. So we will multiply 4 times with this thing. The answer is centimeter. Now all of you tell me my last question for you. My last question for you. In 1 millimeters, how many kilometers? In 1 millimeters, how many kilometers? Please see what is the initial thing, what is the final thing, and see from where to where you are going, and you will get the answer. 1 millimeter is equal to how many kilometers? Ekta Yadav, please check. Bani, I hope yours is correct. Sarvagya, try to see. Will we multiply or will we divide? Try to see. Are we going from smaller to a larger unit or a larger to a smaller unit? First, tell me that. Rian, very good. Kavish, good. I hope yours is correct. So we are going from a, yes class, we are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So we will divide. Let's see what will happen. Just 1 second. Let me make it clear. So right now, what is initial point? What is final point? Let me erase this. Mokshita, I hope yours is correct. Yes. Let me just give you the correct one answer so that you can compare yourself. Now let me start. What is the initial point, class? Initial point is millimeter. So we are here. This is the initial point, IP. And what is the final point? Final point is kilometers. Now, now we are moving one place, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, and 6 jump. So we have taken 6 jumps to the left. And we are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So we will divide by what? 1 upon 10, 6 times. Ashmit, 6 times, not 4 times, 6 times. Please see. So 1 millimeter is same as 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last is 6. This is the answer. So those who have got this answer, they are absolutely correct. Those who have got 6 zeros, and when you convert this into decimal form, what will happen? Although it is not required, but if you want, you can do. If you cut, there are 6 zeros. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and decimal. This is the answer. If you have got this answer, you are correct. Just check my answer. By mistake, I wrote 4 zeros. Okay, okay, Ashwin, no issue. Okay. Actually, it is not about exam. Bani, I never focus more on exam. I focus more on your basics. Okay. That's why I am repeating it. Although I have to complete many things, but still, I believe in making people understand the concepts better so that it is clear to you in the next class also. We are not here for only one class. We have to learn for our future. Okay. Now we are ready for the next concept, that is area. Class, now we are ready for the next concept, that is area. Can anyone tell me in 1 meter how many centimeters are there? In 1 meter, how many centimeters? It is very simple. We have done this many times. Yes, there are 100 centimeters. In 1 meter square, How many centimeter square? Now tell me. This is the conversion. Yes, it is correct. Ryan, don't worry. Yes, Ekta, you are wrong. Ekta is saying the answer is 100 centimeter square. Is it correct? Tushita, correct, beta. Tushita, good. No, Ekta, try to understand. This was for this thing. 100 was for this conversion, not for these. This will not work. You have to understand. Now, Ekta, do you remember the chapter exponent and power? Ekta, do you remember the chapter exponent and powers? Yes. Can I say this is actually 1 meter into 1 meter? Can I say this thing? That 1 meter square is actually 1 m into 1 m? Similarly, what can I say about this thing? What is this? This is also cm into cm. Is it clear? Yes. Now, 1 meter is equal to how much? 1 meter is actually 100 centimeter. And then we have a multiply sign. Then again we have 1 meter, that is again 100 centimeter. The answer is 10,000 centimeter square. This way we find the answer. Ekta, we have to make it in the use of this chapter, what you say, exponent power, and by that only we will find the answer. I am repeating this question again. Please see. We were trying to find the value of 1 meter square in centimeter square. Let me write the question again. So 1 meter square in centimeter square. I can write 1 meter square as 1 meter into 1 meter, and this is actually 100 centimeter. This is also 100 centimeter, and we got the answer as, sir, your voice is breaking in between. Now it is fine, because in between I also got that message that connection is not stable. Please confirm. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Okay. So class, I hope my point is clear to you. If you want to find for 1 meter square, you can do like this. Now, are you ready for the next question? Are you ready for the next question? Please tell. Class, are you ready? Then please find this value. 1 centimeter square. उनको बोलो क्लास चल रही है मेरी, क्लास चल रही है मेरी. 1 centimeter square is equal to uh, suppose millimeter square. Class, now find this one. We know in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. We know in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. You have to tell me in 1 centimeter square how many millimeter square. Think about it and tell me the answer. Very good, Lavya. Very good, Rishi, Sarvagya. All are correct. Ryan, you are also correct. Mokshita, correct. Others, please try. This is very simple. We can. हाँ हाँ, वो मैं आ जाऊँ. Okay. So class, we can say 1 centimeter square is same as 1 cm into 1 cm. Am I wrong in this thing, class? Am I wrong saying this? No. So I can change 1 cm into what? I can change into 10 millimeter. Then a multiply sign. This is also 10 millimeter. 10 into 10 becomes 100. And we have studied when the bases are same, class, do you remember? When the bases are same and they get multiplied, the power becomes added. So it becomes millimeter what? Millimeter what? Millimeter plus millimeter, please tell, square. Yes. So this way we can get the answer. Now, one more question you want? Please tell. Yes. So please find for me in 1 meter square how many kilometer square. Please find this for me. In 1 meter square how many kilometer square? No. Lavya, I think you are quite close, or you are correct also. Tushita and all those who are giving the answers normally, please think from where to where you are going. You are losing that part. Don't lose that part. Please don't lose that part. First, you need to understand in 1 meter there are how many kilometers. Please try to understand that thing first. In 1 m, how many kms, and then find the answer. Kavish, you are correct. Kavish, you are correct. Okay. Let me show you. Karnik Khera, no, a mistake is there. Can I say 1 meter square is same as 1 m into 1 m? Class, can I say this thing? I can say. Now tell me, what is the value of 1 m in terms of kilometers? Please tell me, what is the value of 1 m in terms of kilometers? Ekta, what are you writing? Try to think. Yes, now it is correct. So 1 m is actually 1 upon 1,000 kilometers. Similarly, 1 m is again 1 upon 1,000 kilometers. Now we can multiply these two and we get the answer as 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Km into km is what? Class, km into km is what? Okay, you have put one extra zero. So km square. And this is the answer. Cut the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point kilometer square. This is the answer. I hope I am clear to everyone. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Yes. Now, let me give you little knowledge. Let me give you little knowledge of this chapter, of this coming questions. Okay, I also sense that. Okay, Sarvatya. Class, do you remember the question that we have done on circles? The questions where we had to find the outside area. Do you remember those questions? Yes. We have done many questions on circles where we had to find the area of this ring. What we did, we found the area of outer circle minus the area of inner circle. Okay. Today, my request from all of you is to try these questions. Sir, I did not understand the previous one. Rian, which one you are saying? The conversion? Rian, you are talking about the conversion? Rian, okay, meter square to kilometer square. Okay, Rian. At the end, I will take that for 2 minutes. Don't worry. Time is there, na? So let me explain some examples to you so that you can try the questions of exercise on your own. Okay. Ha. Okay. So you can see example number 20. A rectangular park of 45-meter long, like this, it is given to you. Class, again, we have two rectangles. If you remember, I told you when you have two figures of same type, it is better to use different symbols. Generally, we use small l and small b. Plus, generally we use small l and small b for length and breadth. But now we have two rectangles. What should we do? Class, now we have two rectangles. What should we do? Should we go for same thing? I think we should use capital L for the larger one. So capital L equal to 45 meters. And what is the capital B? Capital B is how much? Plus, it is 30 meters. Yes, Bani Beta, you told this thing. Now, so we have given the capital letters to the larger rectangle. That's it. Now, they are saying there is a path which is 2.5-meter wide. It is similar to the question that we have done in the last exercise of that flower bed. Plus, around the flower bed, we had some path. Here also we have a path. It is the normal path that we have made by DDA, like this only. Now tell me, if this is 2.5, this width, can you tell me what is the value of small l? Please read my chat also, because whenever I'm watching the video on YouTube, my parents say me that I'm not sending answers to you. Okay. Oh, this is also a issue, huh? Ashmit, was you, no? Ashmit, I see your chats also, beta. It is not that I am not seeing your chat. Okay, Ekta. Ekta is saying 4 meter and 45 meter. Now class, please tell me. If you know that capital L is 45 and this much is 2.5, this much is 2.5, can you find the middle part? That will be your small length. Can you find that? Please see again. You know that the outer thing is capital L, that is 45 meter, and inside the width of path is 2.5 and 2.5. Can you find the middle part? This part. This will be your small L. Very easy. We can do L is equal to capital L minus 2.5 minus 2.5. So we are actually cutting the extra part and we will get the length of smaller square or rectangle, whatever it is. So class, are you able to understand what I am doing? How I am trying to find the length of inside thing? It is equal to how much? It is 45 minus 5. Sir, your voice is breaking a lot, Saishi. Others, please confirm. Is there any problem in my voice? No, sir. Saishi, beta, I'm afraid to say, but I think your connection is not good today. Please watch this again on YouTube. I will upload it soon. Okay. I can't understand also. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nothing is there. What we have done is, let me show you again. We always try, we always try to find the things which are not given to us, or indirectly they have given to us. We will try to find that. Let me show you. So we have a rectangle. Let me make the rectangle for you. This is the larger rectangle given to you, and this is the smaller rectangle given to you, like this. Okay, Sarvagya, these are the two rectangles given to you. They are saying the outside rectangle length is how much? Okay. So you can see capital L is 45 given to us. Okay. Please concentrate here. It will be very easy for you. Capital L is 45 meters. Then they are saying capital B is given to you as 30 meters. Okay. Then they are saying the width of the path is 2.5 meter all throughout. Now tell me, please concentrate here. If I want to find the dimension of inner rectangle, that is small l, please tell what will you do, Sarvagya? If you know that this point to this point is 45, this point is 2.5, this point is 2.5, can't you find the middle part? Yes, Sarvagya, please see the outside rectangle, this length is 45 meters. This length is 2.5. This length is 2.5. If I delete these lengths from 45, will I get the middle part? Yes. And that is why I told you L is equal to 45 minus 2.5 minus 2.5. That is 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. Is the correct answer. Sir, if we take the breadth of path in centimeter, then you have to change everything. Okay. Now please tell me what is the breadth of inside rectangle. Please tell me what is the value of small b. If outside breadth is 30 and the width is 2.5, tell me the value of inside breadth. It is 25 centimeter. Very good, everyone. It is 30 minus 2.5 minus 2.5. That is 30 minus 5. It is equal to 25. Now you all are ready for these questions. Please try them one by one. Okay. Please try this question one by one. And let me stop the recording.